Welcome to SAW Car Review, the ultimate destination for in-depth insights, comprehensive reviews, and the most exciting updates in the world of automobiles. Whether it's luxurious sedans, futuristic SUVs, or rare engineering marvels like the Bugatti Motorhome, this channel is dedicated to showcasing the finest in automotive craftsmanship, innovation, and performance. Our mission is to bring you not just facts and figures but also the excitement, imagination, and engineering passion behind the machines that shape the roads of tomorrow. If you're passionate about cars that push boundaries, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a vehicle that seems like a fantasy come true: the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome. Known for pushing the envelope in design and performance, Bugatti has shocked the automotive world yet again by stepping into the motorhome segment. And they didn't just step in quietly, they thundered in with a vehicle that's as luxurious and powerful as it is jaw-dropping in appearance and engineering. The 2025 Bugatti Motorhome represents an unprecedented fusion of luxury and hyper-performance. This isn't just another premium motorhome designed for comfort and travel. It's a machine that embodies the spirit of Bugatti, a legacy rooted in speed, craftsmanship, and bold innovation. At first glance, the motorhome's sculpted lines, aggressive stance, and signature horseshoe grille leave no doubt about its lineage. This is unmistakably a Bugatti, even before you turn the key. Under the hood, the Bugatti Motorhome is powered by an advanced hybrid drivetrain that combines an 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine with a cutting-edge electric motor system. This setup produces an astonishing combined output of over 1,500 horsepower, making it the most powerful motorhome ever built. The powertrain is paired with a high-performance all-wheel drive system and an intelligent 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for smooth yet aggressive acceleration. With a top speed rumored to exceed 220 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time in under 4 seconds, the Bugatti Motorhome is redefining what a house on wheels can do. Despite its massive size and incredible power, the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is surprisingly efficient thanks to the hybrid powertrain and aerodynamic innovations. Active aero elements adjust in real time to optimize drag and downforce, allowing the vehicle to maintain high performance without sacrificing fuel economy. The ride is balanced and composed, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through more challenging terrain. The suspension system uses advanced adaptive dampers, giving it the ability to switch between comfort and sport modes effortlessly. Step inside, and the interior is a masterpiece of modern luxury. The cabin features the finest materials sourced from around the world: premium leathers, exotic wood trims, carbon fiber accents, and brushed aluminum surfaces are harmoniously combined to create an atmosphere of elegance and refinement. Every element has been meticulously designed to provide comfort, luxury, and functionality for extended journeys. The spacious living area includes fully adjustable seating, a reclining lounge setup, and a built-in entertainment center featuring a massive OLED smart screen integrated with a premium audio system. The kitchenette is unlike anything seen in a motorhome before. It features a compact yet fully functional gourmet setup with a dual induction stove, a smart refrigerator with voice-controlled inventory management, and high-end ceramic countertops. The storage solutions are hidden behind automated sliding panels, giving the entire space a minimalist and futuristic look. This area is perfect for road trippers who don't want to compromise on meals or convenience. Sleeping quarters are equally luxurious. The primary suite includes a king-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting, noise-canceling panels, and panoramic windows with electrochromic shading technology. A touchscreen control panel lets you customize everything from lighting and temperature to privacy and entertainment. Adjacent to the bedroom is a full-size bathroom fitted with marble flooring, a rainfall shower, smart temperature controls, and even a compact steam room function for spa-like comfort on the go. Bugatti hasn't just focused on luxury and performance. The 2025 Motorhome is packed with futuristic technology designed to elevate the driving and living experience. A next-generation AI co-pilot system handles navigation, monitors traffic conditions, adjusts drive settings dynamically, and even offers voice-guided concierge services. Facial recognition secures access to the motorhome and automatically loads personalized profiles for different users, adjusting seat positions, entertainment preferences, and ambient settings. Connectivity is seamless with 5G integration, satellite communication for remote areas, and cloud-based data syncing to manage everything from route planning to media libraries. Multiple touchscreen displays are available throughout the interior, giving passengers full control of entertainment, lighting, window tinting, and vehicle diagnostics. On the safety front, Bugatti has included a comprehensive suite of autonomous driving features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance systems, and night vision cameras are all standard. The body structure is reinforced with aerospace-grade carbon composite materials for maximum protection while maintaining a relatively low weight for its size. Emergency systems include automatic fire suppression, real-time health monitoring of passengers, and GPS-linked emergency response services. Exterior design is a perfect blend of function and form. The body features fluid aerodynamic lines sculpted for both aesthetic appeal and high-speed stability. Retractable solar panels on the roof help power auxiliary systems, while pop-out sections expand the interior living space when parked. A hydraulic leveling system ensures stability on uneven surfaces and enhances comfort during extended stays. LED matrix lighting, custom 22-inch alloy wheels, and dynamic ambient light projections give the motorhome a distinct presence day or night. Every inch of the Bugatti Motorhome speaks of customization and personalization. Buyers can select from a wide array of colors, interior finishes, tech packages, and seating configurations. Bugatti also offers a concierge-level design team to help clients tailor their vehicle down to the smallest detail. From monogrammed leather headrests to bespoke artwork panels and embedded gemstone controls, the customization possibilities are virtually endless. What sets the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome apart is its ability to combine the thrill of a hypercar with the comfort of a luxury home. It isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. Whether used for grand tours across continents or weekend escapes to exotic locations, it promises an unmatched level of excitement, comfort, and exclusivity. The engineering precision, avant-garde design, and sheer audacity of the concept make it a true trailblazer in a market segment that's rarely associated with high performance. One of the standout elements of the Bugatti Motorhome is how seamlessly it integrates technology, luxury, and utility. You can attend business meetings virtually in the morning, relax with a movie night in a soundproofed entertainment suite in the afternoon, and drive across a desert landscape at supercar speeds by evening, all within the same mobile environment. This flexibility, combined with Bugatti's commitment to excellence, makes the vehicle not just a mode of travel but a statement of prestige and ambition. While the price tag of the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome places it firmly in the ultra-luxury category, it's important to understand that this vehicle is not intended for mass-market appeal. Instead, it's a showcase of what's possible when boundaries are ignored and the future is imagined without compromise. It's a concept that brings together the best of several worlds: luxury travel, technological innovation, and extreme automotive performance. For those who can afford it, it's an invitation to live without limits. In conclusion, the 2025 Bugatti Motorhome is not just a new model from a legendary brand, it's a reinvention of what a luxury vehicle can be. It challenges conventions, redefines expectations, and raises the bar for what's possible on four wheels. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a luxury lifestyle seeker, or simply someone who admires groundbreaking design, the Bugatti Motorhome is a breathtaking achievement worth celebrating. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more exclusive content like this, make sure to subscribe to SA Car Review. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest from the world of extraordinary vehicles. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.